National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for east central Benton County in northwest Arkansas, west central Carroll County in northwest Arkansas, north central Madison County in northwest Arkansas, northeastern Washington County in northwest Arkansas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lowell and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Sonora, Monty Northeast, War Eagle, Hobbs State Park, Clifty, Best, Beaver Lake, Root, Lookout, and Bland. Take cover now. Go to a designed shelter such as a safe room or storm cellar if available. Otherwise, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If seeking shelter in a basement, be sure to get beneath something sturdy. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Berry County, McDonald County, southeastern Newton County until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pineville and moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Anderson, Goodman, Lenigan, Knoll, Pineville, Powell, Ridgely, Rocky Comfort, Seligman, Stella, Washburn, Wayne, and Wheaton. This warning also includes Big Sugar Creek State Park. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.